In part 2, we talked about Shiba Inus, and today is part 3, and we are going to talk about Golden Retrievers. This is our pet Dixie, who is also a Golden Retriever. Say hi, Dixie! Hi! Let's get started!
The Golden Retriever is one of the most popular dog breeds. They are highly intelligent, sociable, beautiful, and loyal. They are light golden to dark golden in color, and they were originally bred to retrieve short game during hunting undamaged due to their soft mouth. Hence the name Golden Retriever. They are a long coated breed with a dense inner coat and water repelling outer coat, and therefore they shed profusely twice a year. Pet owners with golden get used to have dog hair in their home. The golden's thick coat means lot of grooming. Daily brushing is recommended to prevent tangling, and once in every 2 weeks bath is needed to keep them clean. Golden retrievers are family dogs. They need to live indoors with their human pack and should not spend hours alone in the backyard. Goldens love to eat and will quickly become overweight if overfed. Therefore, limit treats and do not get tempted to overfeed them. A sweet, calm nature is the hallmark of the breed. The Golden was bred to work with people and is always eager to please his owner. They are very friendly with human, and therefore he is definitely not a watchdog. With strangers, most likely he will wag his tail and flash that characteristic golden smile. Golden retrievers are active dogs, and 40 to 60 minutes of daily exercise keeps them healthy. They love water games and fetching games. These dogs are fairly easy to train and get along in just about any home or family. They are great with kids and very protective of their humans. If you want a loyal, loving, and smart companion, consider adopting one of these pups into your pack. Today, we are joined by Saurabh Singh from Pune, who will tell us a lot more about his golden retriever pet. Let's start the interview.
Hello friends, I am Saurabh. He is my friend Jagga, who is a golden retriever breed and is 5 months old. Hello Jagga. My dog's favorite food is curd rice and chicken rice. We feed him thrice a day. In morning and evening, we feed him with a packed food, which is the dog food, either with a Royal Canin or Smart Heart puppy food. In noon, we feed him either with a chicken rice or a curd rice. The food which we should avoid giving him is any food which contains garlic, onion, sugar, salt, and chocolate. These things are very much harmful for them, so we should avoid these things. Most of the time in summer, Jagga denies to have his packed food. So what we do, we just mix a small amount of curd in his packed food, and he takes the same food with lots of interest. Apart from this, we also give him buttermilk, which has lots of health benefit and also keeps him hydrated. And we also feed him with a few fruits like kiwi, banana, apple, and watermelon. And in vegetables, he loves to take carrot, beetroot, cucumber, and coriander leaves. No, as a puppy, he cannot be fed with the same food which he can have in his adult days. The reason being puppy food contains more calcium and multivitamins as compared to the adult food. One can notice the same if you compare the pricing of an adult food with the puppy food. The puppy food price is little bit at the higher side as compared to the adult food. Golden Retriever breed is basically famous for their lovable nature. They are very much affectionate. They can be kept in a house with kids. They are quick learners, so they can be trained very easily. And the best part is that they never bark at strangers, so they can get themselves adjusted with them in a nice way. One of the best habit of Jagga is like whenever he wants to go out for pee or potty, he always give us indication. And another best habit is he is fully trained to be left alone at home for 3 to 4 hours easily. And when it comes to the worst habit, although he doesn't have any worst habits common with all the dog breeds, like he's very much stubborn and he's food obsessed. He wants everything to be served in his plate, even the food which we have. there might be a time that you will have to leave your dog alone at home for some time. Training a puppy is much easier than training a dog. That doesn't mean adult dog cannot be trained. They can be, but they require more time to be trained. On a first day of a training, just leave your dog or a puppy in a balcony or in a room for 15 to 20 minutes, and when you come back, always welcome them with lots of treats and love, and gradually increase the time. Like on a second day, leave them for 30 minutes and 40 minutes. After a month or two, your puppy will be fully trained to stay alone at home for up to 6 to 8 hours. They are very much prone to skin infection and allergies, which may cause due to bacterial and fungal infection. One most common issues in all the golden retriever breed is as they grow old, their bone gets weaker. As of now, he is not having any issues. Jagga is very much friendly with strangers and friends visiting our house, as well as with other dogs too. Basically, he loves to get social with everyone. Golden retrievers are highly energetic dog breeds. They require regular exercise and walk. Because of their long and dense coat, they shed a lot. So they require regular grooming at least once or twice in a day, which eventually helps them to maintain their coat. They are family pets. They cannot be kept outside or tied in a chain. So they require tons of attention and so much time. So which makes them not so stable or busy people. We should not allow a puppy to do anything which we do not want them to do the same thing in future. Because initially it looks cute, we appraise, we ignore, but as they grow old, those activities becomes irritating for their humans, and we start scolding them. For example, when Jagga was puppy and when we used to prepare his food, he used to jump on a kitchen slab. At that point of time, we ignored him because he used to look cute at that point of time. But now he has grown old and he grabs everything easily from the kitchen slab. I found magical changes in me since the day Jagga entered in my life. As he used to wake us up early in morning for going out for a walk, which eventually makes us physically fit. Since the time he had in this house, our routine has been changed. Now we feel more energetic and active all day. Apart from this, he has also psychologically changed our thoughts towards and understanding towards life.
So this is the summary of the information that we learned today about golden retrievers. A special thanks to Saurav for spending time and sharing information with us. Our next video will be coming soon. Stay tuned for that. Till then, bye. But don't forget to like